In this video, I will show you how to activate maintenance mode or coming soon mode on your WordPress website without using any plugins. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking the browser icon. Then, in the search bar, enter your WordPress website credentials and log into your website. After logging in, you will be on the WordPress website homepage. In the left navigation bar, look for the option labeled Appearance. Hover your mouse over it until you see more options. Left-click Theme Editor at the bottom of the More Options list. Here, you will see a dialog box with some codes. You can use this to edit your website's current theme. Here, you need to type the following code to put your website in maintenance mode. Simply pause and type this code into the dialog box. In this code, if you look at the third line, you can customize what message you want to display in maintenance mode. Simply edit this text line as per your liking. After tweaking the settings, you can apply these settings by left-clicking the Upload File button at the bottom of the dialog box. Now, your website is in maintenance mode.